Hello guys, welcome. In today's video I want to expose the SecIO team developers as touching their listing dates. Meanwhile, some people have actually seen the official listing date of the SecIO Power Tap Airdrop, which is I'm currently at the roadmap page of the SecIO Power Tap, which most people have seen so far that it ought to be listed at the Q4 of 2024 according to this roadmap. But unfortunately, it seems as if the team are hiding something. They are not actually saying anything about the listing, whether they are going to list or they are not going to list. They are not even making any comment at all, and some people are kind of like panicking and they feel as if maybe they are wasting their time and they are wasting their data and they are wasting their energy. Well, I've come to tell you that you are not wasting your time, neither are you wasting your energy. If you are not even mining correctly, that is when you'll be wasting your time and you will be at the long run on a very much loss that will be regrettable. Now in this video I want to take my time and show you what it seems as if the developers of the SecIO Power Tap might be hiding from you, and why it seems as if they are very much silent and at the same time they are not silent. So follow me carefully in this video and listen carefully so you know why it seems as if the team are quiet, but they are not quiet because I've seen that they are not quiet, despite the fact it seems they are not making any remark, neither are they saying anything. Now if you come to this SecIO Power Tap roadmap, now how do you get to see this roadmap? Okay, let me just quickly go back so that for those people who have not actually seen, yes, they have not, some people might have not even know where to see this roadmap or when it's actually listed. So let me just do a quick run on that in the first 1 minute before I go continue quickly. Now as you can see currently guys, I'm in level 8 as at when I'm making this video. I know that some people here are in level 10 because I know most of my subscribers here, you guys are fond of oppression. Yeah, once I know, okay, it's fine. I love it when I see people letting me know what's their sec power and what level they are in. I have a guy, I think I will be giving a shout out to one of my subscribers here, if I'm getting his name correctly. His name is Aliu Mohammed. That's the name I saw. So Aliu Mohammed, I'm giving you a shout out. He told me that he currently have he's in level 10 and he have 20 million SEP power token. That's a huge one. Is there anybody currently that have gotten more than that SEP power and is in level 10? Okay guys, let me know what level you are in. Just drop it in the comment section. Let me know what level you are in, how many SEP power you have. As you can see mine here, currently I just have 3.5 and I'm in level 8. Very soon I'll be in level 10 also. So this you guys are teasing me is going to come to an end. So I'm making this video guys for all of us to learn. So as I'm doing that, you'll be doing us a favor here in this channel to make sure you subscribe. That's if you are encountering my channel for the very first time, you subscribe, you give this video a thumbs up so that more people can see it, and you join my Telegram channel. My Telegram channel, the link is in the description box and it's also on the top of my bio. That's where we have an interactive section as a community and a family. We'll talk about different airdrop as well. So quickly now, let's dive to what we have for today. I said I want to expose the listing secret, why it seems as if the developers are quiet. Now quickly now, I said I want to show you guys the roadmap because most people do not even know where the roadmap is. So what you just need to do is to tap on my top right. You are going to see this airdrop page, so just tap on it, it will load up. I just want to do this little recap for those people who have not actually seen it before I tell you why it seems the developers are quiet about their listing, but at the long run they are not actually quiet. Now if you check on this roadmap, what you are going to see here is that if you just go to this roadmap, you just scroll down and you discover that they made a detailed guide what they are going to be doing in Q2, Q3 and in Q4. Actually, if you check the Q2, you will see actually they have actually done this, which they have actually ticked all these criteria. You see they have done it. You can check it at your leisure. I don't want this video to be overly long before I get to talk the main part of this video, so just follow me carefully as we journey. Now if you see the Q3, you see they have tickets. Everything is done currently, they are done. If you check Q3 and Q2, you see this thing, they have done this. They have launched the season 2 unlock level system. They have activated external partnership. They have integrated with SecIO ecosystem. What this integrated means is that they have linked the power tap with their trading app, you understand. So that's this thing you see that it's not ticket, that's what it means. Integrate with Sec.io ecosystem. So they have integrated the airdrop, they have merged it to become one. Hope you are following. Now if you check on the Q4 here, what you are going to see here is that they say they are going to publish white paper and what calculate airdrop. Currently now they have not even published a white paper and they haven't yet to calculate airdrop, and they say they will be doing it in the Q4. And what is the Q4? What Q4 simply means is the quarter 4 of the year 2024. That is the first 4 months of the last 4 months of the year 2024. And currently when I'm making this video, we're in the month of what, November, heading to what, December. Now you see, these are the two things they have not yet done, and it seems as if they are quiet, but well, they are not quiet. I'm done explaining the roadmap. Please guys, ensure what you subscribe to this channel as you are listening to me. So now let me take you guys somewhere. Now let's head quickly. Let me close this tab. If you go to the official channel, let me just quickly run down. If you go to Sec.io community, you will see they are not even saying anything, and it seems more as if there is a decline. Right, there is a decline in the amount of subscribers they have, even on the official channel and even on the Telegram bots. As at when the Sec.io Power Tap actually started, it had about 8 million, and as at when I'm making this video, we're about 6 million, and it is declining. And you think that this set of developers are not aware, then you must be joking if you think that they are not aware. Now let me tell you more about Sec.io Power Tap and why you seems that now if you look currently here, you see their Telegram channel is active, right? They are saying other things, but they are not talking anything concerning the listing. Now quickly, now let's head to the main part. Now for those of you who might not know, Sec.io is actually a trading exchange. Now let's go to CoinMarketCap. I'll be needing CoinMarketCap to show you what I want to expose for you guys, so you guys will stay connected and be rest assured that you are not wasting your time. Now you can just download CoinMarketCap on Google Play Store for Android, or you can download CoinMarketCap on Apple for iOS. Now if you head to CoinMarketCap as I am heading to now, what you are going to do now, as I'm doing it, you can also go verify and confirm yourself. Just quickly go down to exchanges. I want to show you guys something. If you come here to exchange, I want to scroll down to show you that Sec.io exchange is among the top 100 exchange, and we are going to be looking at what their trading volume, to let you know that this exchange, they are not in lack of money, right? They are not in lack of what? Visibility. And why is it that they are not talking anything about listing? What is holding them? I'm here to let you know guys that Sec.io token generation event is not a big deal for the exchange itself. Let me just quickly show you guys. You guys are seeing that we are at the exchange, right? You can see number 1 so far is Binance, we know. So let me just quickly scroll down. You are following me gradually. You can zoom your screen to see together with me. So if we scroll down, as you can see this trading exchange, you can see liquidity, you can see what their trading volume in 24 hours. That's not a joke. So now if you go there, now if we scroll down, as at the time I saw Sec.io before I made this video, they were about number 80 something in rank. But let's see where they are today now. Now this is it guys, we are at number 78. Are you guys seeing it? You can zoom your screen if you are not seeing clearly. Now you can see it, Sec.io number 78. Let's scroll it. The trading volume is what? $14.86 million in 24 hours. If you know what that means, you will know that it is not a joke, right? If you see now, this is the spot. Now this is Sec.io. Now let me go to summary so you guys can see. If I go to summary, listen carefully. If I go to summary, you will see now this is actually Sec.io, and this exchange was actually founded in 2013. That is, they started operation in 2013. That's the very stage when Bitcoin was actually even gaining grounds, right? Sec.io has actually been in existence and they have been operating. And currently, if you read what they have here, is that they have about 5 million active users. Now, if you go here, you see now on spot, you see that they have what? $14 million in trading volume. That's what the trading volume they have in 24 hours. So that is to say, these exchange are not lacking funds. Money is not their problem, because most times when an airdrop want to list, most times they just have to go demand for money from their community. Those are broke people those are broke, will I say broke developers. Forgive me for using a harsh word, broke, but let's just say they are not having enough fund, so they want to raise fund through their community. But if you observe, Sec.io in no way, they have never asked us for any form of turn transaction or anything whatsoever touching at the power tap. They have not said pay this or pay that. We have just been playing the game from season 1 and we're in season 2, and yet they didn't ask for any transaction. So what does that tell you? They are not in need of your money. They have what it takes to list, right? So now, what I'm just in summary, where I'm heading is that I'm trying to tell you guys to note that you will be doing yourself a lot of harm if, because you have not had anything concerning their listing, you think as if maybe this set of developers, they don't know what they are doing. It will come as a shock, right? They have already made it clear that they will be listing in the Q4 of 2024, and we are rounding up the year 2024, and yet we have December, and December have, if I'm not making mistake on my calendar, we have about 31 to 30 days. Now let me tell you why it seems as if Sec.io don't want to list. Now, if you check the cryptocurrency market, we have been having an uptrend and a downtrend, a red candlestick and a green candlestick. Today it seems as if the market is fluctuating, right? Today the market is down and tomorrow the market is what? Up. Now we are approaching the season of what? The bull run. And most times, most coins, most people that actually introduce coins to the market, what they do is that if you observe some set of tokens, they are not even in a haste to list. Some people want to list when the market is in a huge drive, that is in a time whereby it's full, let me use the word full of celebration, when everybody is actually celebrating, there is a good pump in price. So most times when a new token is being listed in that season, the token just picks up. Because why? At that time there will be a lot of people crowded in the market willing to invest in any token whatsoever, because there's something we call FOMO in the crypto market, which is called it is FOMO, which means the fear of missing out. Most people will be kind of scared, they don't want to miss out, they don't want to lose. So let me let you know, guys, one of the reasons why Sec.io don't want to list currently now, and it seems as if they are quiet, though I know definitely they are on the background looking for an actual perfect timing, because token generation is not their problem, white paper is not their problem. You should know that there's an exchange, a lot of people that have coin pay them money to list on their own platform. So if Sec.io want to list, they don't need any other exchange for them to list on, right? They have their own exchange, so they can comfortably start with their own exchange before they pay exchanges like they want to go as far as Binance to pay for them to list on Binance. So that will not be a problem for them, because Binance, as at the time I knew, Binance was charging around $2 million for a coin to list, and an exchange like Sec.io, $2 million will not be that, it will not be a problem for them, even though if Binance is charging $5 million. So you see, guys, what Sec.io, I believe they are waiting for the market to pick up, right? Now what people are waiting for is for Bitcoin dominance to reduce, right? As currently now the season for the altcoin, it's ought to kick off when Bitcoin dominance reduce to about, let's say, currently let's go check our Bitcoin dominance so you guys can see where I'm heading to. If you don't know much about these things, I will later, if you want me to make another video concerning the bull run, crypto, altcoin season and all, that will take a long time. I just make sure you indicate in the comment section so I can educate further on that. If you check here now, you are going to see Bitcoin dominance currently is what? 57.20%. Now the altcoin season ought to kick off when Bitcoin dominance declines again, let's say to about when it's going to 50, maybe 40, 51, when it declines enough, that's when altcoin season is going to kick off, and we're actually gradually approaching that season. As you can see, Bitcoin dominance as at last week, it was about 70%, and today is what? 57%. And you can see that developers and exchange like Sec.io are waiting for this season to come, so that they can just quickly list, and if they list, you'll be making a lot of money. So I can tell you, if you're actually farming Sec.io airdrop power tap correctly, $1,000 is sure. Yes, if it's possible for you to have gotten to level 10, and let's say you have maybe even 10 million SEP power token, they have not done the snapshot. in whatever they are doing, if you even hold the token after they list, let's say you hold it to about maybe next year March, even though they list now, because some people, if they list now, they will just sell off. If you hold it to maybe probably in the month of March, April, thereabout, I'm telling you $1,000 is sure, because SecIO, they will not list at a very funny price. Even though they list at a funny price, be rest assured that that price will pump in the next 1 month or 2 weeks. You can see the likes of what X Empire, you can see the likes of what X Empire did. If you actually farmed X Empire, you can see how the price kicked off after they list at a poor price. You can see what Mimify did if you participated in that airdrop, right? I believe so far so good. I've educated everyone here on this channel, and I believe you guys have found value. So please make sure what you like this video, you comment on this, you subscribe to this channel, drop me a thank you in the comment section. Let me know how many SEP power you have. Let me know what level you are in. Let me know which country you are watching from. Drop your country flags in the comment section. If you are watching this video from Nigeria, let me know the state in particular you are watching in Nigeria from, what level you are. And also guys, I will urge you to join my Telegram channel. You can find the link in the description box, or you can just go to my my YouTube channel. Just look on my bio, you will see my Telegram channel link. Just click on it. That's where we have an interactive section. If you have any question you want to ask, you ask me on Telegram. After you ask me on this video, you can go straight ask me on Telegram. Let's connect, let's relate. So go to join my Telegram channel now, because that's where I post other different airdrop before I review them on my YouTube space. So thank you guys for watching. Do ensure what you subscribe to this channel, you give this video a thumbs up, you drop me a comment, indicate where you're watching from, and once more again, let me know what level you are in SecIO, your SEP power token. Let's celebrate together as we continue mining. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.